Want to mute videos fully automated and without using any editing tools? In this video, I'll show you how to do that using bookoly.com's Mute a Video feature. We use make.com as our automation platform, and the bookoly.com app handles the audio muting for us automatically. This setup is perfect for creating silent versions of videos for looping, background playback, or content repurposing. Let's get started and build the automation together. In this example, we use a Google Sheet to store the input data, but you can also use any other service that integrates with make.com. First, create a new sheet in your Google Drive with 3 columns: title, video URL, and bookoly URL. Here's what each column is for. Title is the name for the final muted video. We'll send this to bookoly.com as the video name. Video URL should be a public, downloadable link to the original video you want to mute. Bookoly URL is where we'll store the link to the final muted video once it's processed. Inside make.com, start by selecting the Google Sheets app and choose the Watch New Rows module. This module automatically triggers the automation every time a new row is added. Select your spreadsheet and the sheet name you just created. Limit the number of results to 1 so only 1 row is processed at a time. When asked to choose where to start, select the All option. Now add the Bookoly app and select the Mute a Video module. Map the title from your sheet to the video name field. Then map the video URL to the video URL field. The webhook field is optional and can be left empty unless you want to trigger another automation when the video is finished. After sending the data to bookoly.com, we'll wait for the muted video to finish processing. Add the module, wait for video generation, and pass in the video ID from the previous step. This pauses the automation until the video is fully rendered. Once the video is ready, we'll write the final URL back to the Google Sheet. Add the Google Sheets app again and choose the Update a Row module. Select the same spreadsheet and sheet name as before. Insert the row number from the first Google Sheets module into the row number field. Map the video URL returned by Bookoly to the Bookoly URL column. After that, click Auto Align and save the scenario. Let's test the scenario. Add a new row to your Google Sheet with a video title and video URL. In this case, I'm using a video from one of my earlier YouTube projects. I'll play it shortly just to confirm that it still contains audio. Bookoly.com makes it easy to reuse videos for new workflows. Go to make.com and click Run Once to execute the automation manually. As soon as the scenario is finished, you'll see that the automation wrote the Bookoly video URL back to the Google Sheet. You can preview the result directly using the link in your sheet. Let's also take a look at the muted video directly on Bookoly. Head over to bookoly.com, open the Videos section, and click on the video we just created. There you will find all the video details, including duration and confirmation that the audio track has been removed. Now let's press play and check out the result. As you can see, no music is hearable. The video is now completely muted. And that's it. You've now fully automated the process of muting a video using bookoly.com and make.com. This is super helpful for repurposing content, creating silent video loops, or removing unwanted audio in just a few clicks. In the next video, I'll show you how to automatically generate and add subtitles to a video based on its audio. It's a great way to make your content more accessible and engaging. And of course, it's fully automated. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who works with video content. Thanks for watching.